Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install apps from unknown sources in Galaxy A55 5G. So if you want to install the unknown app guys, firstly you have to go to settings. So in this section, just scroll down and as you guys see, we have an option of apps here. Just tap here. Okay. Now after loading, just go to three dot option and then go to special access. Now in this section, we have an option of install unknown apps. So just tap here. Now these are all the applications from where we can install the unknown apps. So if you use Chrome continuously for installing the app, so you can enable this feature, enable Drive, Galaxy Store, and whatever you want. Okay. After that, your problem will be solved. But guys, after performing this action and your problem isn't solved, so all you guys have to do just go to three dot option again, and then firstly you have to reset app preference, then click to reset. Okay, after resetting, now again perform all the same steps like enabling the application from where you want to install apps. So that's how guys we can install apps from unknown sources. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.